How to respond to a tax audit. Protect your privacy. When facing a tax audit, you may wonder how to protect your privacy. Responding to a tax audit can be stressful, but knowing how to manage your information is key. One common mistake is providing more information than necessary. This can lead auditors to dig deeper than they should. To avoid this, only share documents and answers that are directly related to the audit questions. Start by carefully reviewing the audit notice. This will help you understand what records the tax authorities need. Keeping organized and accurate records is essential. Many people fail to maintain proper documentation, which can weaken their case. Make sure you have everything in order to support your tax return. If you receive notices from the Internal Revenue Service, respond promptly. Ignoring these notices can lead to increased penalties and enforcement actions. It is always better to address issues head-on rather than waiting for them to escalate. Consider consulting with a tax professional or attorney early in the process. They can help you set clear boundaries with auditors and protect your rights. Having expert guidance can prevent misunderstandings that might lead to harsher consequences. A professional can also advise you on how to respond tactically and avoid disclosing sensitive information. During the audit, keep all communication professional and focused on the specific issues at hand. If you disagree with any findings, remember that you have the right to appeal. You can also request a meeting with the supervisor of the examiner. Do not agree to any adjustments without fully understanding their implications. This includes being aware of potential penalties and interests that may arise. If the audit results in proposed changes, think carefully about the long-term effects. Consider how these changes might affect future audits for subsequent tax years. In some cases, reaching partial agreements on undisputed issues can simplify the process. However, be cautious not to concede on minor points that could weaken your position in appeals. To protect your privacy during a tax audit, follow these guidelines. Provide only the information that is requested, keep thorough and accurate records, respond promptly to all communications from the Internal Revenue Service, seek expert representation to manage the audit process, and understand your options to appeal or negotiate if you disagree with the findings. Avoiding these common mistakes can help you minimize the risk of escalating the audit or facing unnecessary penalties. By being proactive and informed, you can ensure a more controlled response to tax examinations.